Welcome to this instructional video on installing a WABCO air suspension compressor for Mercedes-Benz E-Class W212 and CLS-Class C218. Proper installation is crucial for optimal performance, so let's ensure you have all the necessary information before starting. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place, which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. To begin the compressor assembly removal, raise the vehicle and locate the compressor under the rear left side. Carefully remove the 4 bolts holding the compressor cover to gain access to the assembly. Remove the cover to access the compressor assembly. Next, disconnect the airline from the compressor assembly. Continue by locating and disconnecting the 2 electrical connectors from the compressor assembly. Ensure all connections are safely removed to avoid damage to the components during the process. Locate and disconnect the intake hose from the compressor assembly. Remove the mounting nuts and hardware securing the compressor assembly to the vehicle. Once all nuts are removed, carefully take out the compressor assembly from its position. Place the compressor assembly on a workbench and remove the bolts holding the compressor to the mounting bracket. Then unclip the wiring harness and remove it from the compressor bracket. To complete the removal, remove the compressor from the mounting bracket. Install the new compressor into the mounting bracket in the reverse order of removal and install the compressor assembly back into the vehicle. Tighten all nuts and bolts to the vehicle manufacturer's specifications to ensure a secure and proper fit. Open the trunk and locate the compressor relay behind the left trunk panel. Replace the factory relay with the provided unit to avoid damage and maintain warranty. Inspect the air springs for any type of cracks or excessive wear. Leaking air springs will cause the compressor to overheat from continuous operation. Thank you for watching this instructional video on installing an Arnott air suspension system. For any questions or assistance, please contact Arnott's support team. We hope this guide has been helpful in your installation process.